To build a personal wiki in Obsidian, you'll create a folder structure and link notes together, allowing you to organize your knowledge base. If you've ever struggled to keep track of your ideas, research, or projects, this video is for you. In this complete guide, you'll learn how to set up a simple and effective personal wiki within Obsidian, using just 3 core folders and a handful of essential notes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a connected knowledge base that will grow with your interests and projects. Stick with me and I'll show you everything you need to know about creating a personal wiki in Obsidian. Let's get started. The core idea behind a personal wiki is to connect related notes. Unlike traditional notebooks where information is often siloed, Obsidian's strength lies in these internal links, allowing you to navigate and discover relationships between your thoughts and research. You can use this to organize personal knowledge, projects, meeting notes, research, learning materials, and reference documents. Okay, let's build that structure. The first thing you'll want to do is create your personal wiki folder structure. Open Obsidian and navigate to your preferred vault. In the File Explorer sidebar, create 3 new folders: Knowledge, Projects, and Resources. The Knowledge folder is where you'll store general information, ideas, and personal notes. The Projects folder is for your ongoing work, including project plans, task lists, and meeting notes. The Resources folder is for reference materials, templates, useful links, and supporting documentation. Now, let's create the main page of your wiki. Inside the Knowledge folder, create a new note called Personal Wiki. Add the following structure: #personal wiki #about, #recent notes, #active projects, #areas of interest, #resources, #quick links. This note will serve as your homepage, providing quick access to your most important ideas and sections. This simple structure gives you a solid foundation. You'll expand it as you add more notes. Next, let's create separate notes for different topics within the Knowledge folder. You can include personal ideas, learning notes, research, journal entries, goals, and important information. Keeping one topic per note helps maintain clarity and makes your wiki easier to expand. Each individual topic will become a node in your connected knowledge graph. Now it's time to create the Projects folder. This folder will store everything related to your ongoing work. Include project plans, task lists, meeting notes, progress updates, and project documentation. Separating projects from general knowledge keeps your workspace organized and reduces distractions. Within the Projects folder, create a note called Project Index. Add the following structure: #project index #active projects, #upcoming projects, #completed projects, #project resources, #notes. This note serves as a central directory for all your projects, constantly updated to reflect the status of your work. Now let's connect these notes using internal links. In Obsidian, you can link notes by using square brackets followed by the note's name. For example, if you're referencing an idea from the personal wiki note, you can link to it directly. Connect the personal wiki with the project index and resource library notes. Connect your project notes with related knowledge notes and resource notes. The internal links are what transform a collection of notes into a truly linked knowledge base. To further organize your wiki, you can add properties to your notes. Properties are key value pairs that provide additional context and allow you to sort and filter your notes effectively. Useful properties include category, status, date created, last updated, priority, and topic. To further enhance organization, add tags to your notes. Tags are keywords that you can use to categorize your notes. Examples include learning, project, research, personal, reference, and idea. Tags help you quickly locate related notes throughout your wiki. Finally, establish a simple workflow. Create new notes whenever you capture information or start a project. Organize those notes into the appropriate folders. Connect related notes using internal links. Review and update your personal wiki homepage regularly. This consistent approach will keep your personal wiki organized and easy to navigate. A personal wiki in Obsidian creates a centralized knowledge system where information is connected instead of stored as isolated notes. Rather than searching through dozens of folders, you can move between related ideas using internal links and navigation pages. As your knowledge base grows, your personal wiki becomes a valuable reference that helps you organize information, revisit ideas, and manage projects more efficiently. Benefits of building a personal wiki in Obsidian include centralized knowledge, store your notes, projects, and resources in one place. Better organization, keep related information connected through links. Function navigation, quickly move between related notes without searching through folders. Improve knowledge management, build a system that grows with your learning and projects. Flexible structure, customize your wiki to fit your personal workflow and interests. To recap, you've just built a basic personal wiki in Obsidian using 3 folders and 3 notes. Now, continue adding connections between notes to create a richer and more useful knowledge base. Regularly review your personal wiki homepage and update it as your projects and interests evolve. Don't hesitate to experiment with different organization strategies to find what works best for you. Save this video for future reference and revisit these steps whenever you need to expand your personal wiki.